Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. So we will discuss Python scope. Python scope is basically a variable which is only available from inside the region it is created. So further Python scope has a subtype which is local scope. So now let's understand what is local scope. A variable created inside a function belongs to a local scope of that function and can only be used inside that function. So we will see an example of a local scope. So here we have a function and a variable x whose value is 300, and we will print x and my function. So we will get output of x value which is 300. So that's all from today's video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.